All right. Who has heard of the term cash offer? Maybe you're thinking about selling your home and you've heard this cash offer term thrown around, but what exactly does it mean? And more importantly, is it the right decision for you? I'm going to break down everything you need to know about cash offers in this video. I'm Nick Waldner with the Waldner Winners team of Keller Williams. First, what is a cash offer? A cash offer is an investor or buyer who's willing to buy your house as is, where is, without having any repairs done, ready to go right away. Now, that can be appealing for certain sellers. Maybe you have a family member who has passed on and now you've inherited this property and you don't want to fix it up. You don't want to trash it out. You're ready just to get it off your plate. Maybe it's your own personal house and it's something that you don't want to get into showings and having people come through. Well, wait, before you even make a decision like this, I want to go over some of the reasons why you may want to and some of the reasons why you may not want to. First, if you're finding a reputable cash offer, it could be a fast closing. You could have the cash in as little as 7 to 14 days, depending on title work. That is much faster than the traditional 30 to 45 days in the retail space. Now, fewer contingencies. Remember, no repairs, nothing to do. You don't even have to take your personal belongings, leave any trash you don't want. It's their problem, which can be appealing, but that also is going to reflect in some of the negatives, like the offer price. You're not going to get anywhere near what that house is worth because the investor or the cash offer is taking the risk. You're also not going to have as many bidders. Here in Maryland, we're seeing multiple offers on multiple properties. We got 19 offers on the house we listed just last week, and it went way above asking. If you're taking a cash offer, you have no idea what the market will actually bear, especially right now. And number 3 is you got to be careful of the scam and the unqualified buyers, the ones that give you an offer, but they truly don't have the funds to close, and they're just running you around, and it's just not worth it. So here's what you need to know to make sense of all this. Number 1, if you need to sell fast, maybe you're relocating, maybe you have a financial hardship, whatever it may be, you have options. And it doesn't mean the one guy who calls you or sends you something in the mail. Reach out to me. We've got an exclusive list of home buyers that are reputable, quality, and can actually give you a fair market value. We also have contractors who can come in with all your repairs, all of your trash out, anything you need to help you move that property more up to the retail level so you can get more. If you're looking for a hassle-free sale, cash offer is certainly an option, but it's not the best option. There are other ways to do it where you can make more money, get more from your property, and still not have any of the hassles of a regular resale. If you're thinking about a cash offer, first thing you want to do is reach out so we can do a home valuation. We need to know what the home is worth in its current condition and compare that to the cash offer you're getting. We also need to verify the buyer's funds, and I can do that for you in less than 2 minutes to make sure it's a legitimate offer. And then let's compare your options. That means maybe the cash offer is a great option. Maybe there's an as-is way to sell it where you can get more money. Again, let's look at it all together. So if you've heard the term cash offer, if you've ever thought about it, if you've gotten that phone call, if you've gotten that thing in the mail, we want to buy your house cash, don't fall for that. Reach out to me and let's put a plan together to make sure that you are getting the right deal for your scenario. I'm Nick Waldner with the Waldner Winners team of Keller Williams.